There's a different kind of rich. Not the loud kind. Not the Instagram luxury kind. This kind doesn't live anywhere. But somehow they're everywhere. They're the ones checking into Mandarin Oriental in London on a Monday, having dinner in Dubai by Thursday, and spending the weekend in a villa tucked into the hills of Lake Como. No fixed address. No permanent ties. Just access. Welcome to the secret life of high-status nomads. These people don't move because they have to. They move because they can. Their life isn't about vacation. It's about design. Every city is a station. Every location has a purpose. They don't chase routine. They chase rhythm. When New York gets loud, they fly to Kyoto. When Paris gets crowded, they disappear into Cape Town. The rest of the world calls it travel. They call it Tuesday. They live out of tailored duffel bags. Not because they can't afford closets, but because they don't need them. Their wardrobe is seasonal and location-based. There's a Tom Ford blazer waiting in a flat in Mayfair. A linen suit pressed in a Bangkok suite. A drawer of black t-shirts already folded at a penthouse in LA. They don't pack. They rotate. But here's what most people don't understand. This isn't chaos. It's control. Their calendar looks empty, but it's full of choice. The flight isn't rushed. It's planned. The driver is already there. The suite is already chilled. Their phone buzzes in New York, but their body is in Morocco. And they respond only if they want to. They're not running from something. They're running with something. A rhythm. A flow. A code most people don't even know exists. They stay private, but they're not hiding. They're just not stuck. Not to places. Not to roles. Not to expectations. In LA, there's a crypto founder who's lived in 5 countries this year. Not as a tourist, as a ghost in luxury. His favorite spot? A rooftop in Lisbon with no name. In London, a best-selling author never rents. She owns micro-apartments across Europe, each curated like a boutique hotel. In Miami, a silent investor keeps no home but has keys to 6. All of them gifted, none of them claimed. And the people around them? Other ghosts. Other minds who choose movement over stillness. Conversations happen in villas, not conference rooms. Trust is built over shared silence, not small talk. If you know, you know. And if you don't, you never will. They don't post. They don't check in. Their lifestyle isn't a story. It's a strategy. They've turned the world into a private network. No borders. No routines. Just signal strength and silence. One foot in every continent. One hand in every industry. No office. No address. But always in motion. This is stealth wealth. Designed not to be seen. Built to be lived. So the next time someone asks where you live, remember this. The highest status isn't owning the most space. It's needing the least. And in the world of high-status nomads, freedom is the real currency. And movement is the power no one can trace.